Canva, things just get better. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make an app using Canva AI. Let's get into the video. To make an app, yes, and Canva of recent, it just launched new features. Now it has Canva 2.0. Yes, so first of all, you will need to sign up with Canva, and as I always tell you, you will need an email address and a password, of course, to sign up. But I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead into my Canva account so that I can show you how you can do this. Yes, but if you are there and you would like to start your digital product journey and you don't know how, I have created a free guide. It's a simple roadmap that can walk you step by step from starting to create your digital product, to know how you price it, and to know where you can sell it. Yes, and it's a free guide. I will leave the link in the description below. You can go ahead and download this free guide to help you kickstart off your digital product business. So let's get back to Canva. So as I have told you, Canva, you need to sign up so that you can start. And if you sign up, you have an interface like this. And the good thing with Canva, you can use Canva on a paid version and a free version. Yes, so if you are on a paid version, there are some feature there, you can access all the features and everything in Canva. But if you are on a free version, there are some things you will not be able to access in Canva. So now let's get into what you want. So here you can come up here in the corner and search whatever you want, but I am going to click here on more so that we can go to Cloud AI. So still here you can come here and search whatever you want, or here in the corners there are so many things you can create with Canva. You can create presentations, you can do social media posts, you can do photo editing, videos, docs, whiteboards, so many of that. But here we want to use what is called Canva code, and this is what we are going to use to create that app. Yes, but Canva can do so many other things. So if you want to create your digital products, you can use Canva to do that. That's what I also use to create my digital products. Even this freebie, I also created it in Canva. So you can use it, you can use Canva to create your digital products. If you are creating curling pages, ebooks, now it can also create apps. So now we are going to click here on what says cloud code, because that's what we are going to use. Yes, so we'll click on that, and here they give you different categories. Here they are different, and there are different ideas that they have built. You can use to try, like a grocery list builder, interactive certificate, biology quiz, maybe if you want to make biology quiz for children. And as I've told you before, it was Canva AI 1.01, but now they have 2.0, which is even better. So what we are going to do, you can use these ones, which is already here, where you put in a prompt. Canva has already created this prompt as a guide to show you that you can also do it. But what we are going to do, let me show you first using this prompt that Canva has already created. Then you will go and make our own prompt. We'll come here to ChatGPT and make our own prompt and put it in Canva. But first of all, let us use this prompt that Canva has already created for us. So we'll click here. It's about a grocery list, and we want to build an app about grocery list. So we'll click on that and click on submit. So we are going to wait for a few minutes or a few seconds. And again, if you are on a free version, it can take you quite some time, and they will give you some credits. Yes, but if you're on a paid version, so you can use it a little bit more because you're on a paid version. And for me, I am on a paid version, but still don't worry. If you're on a free version, you can still do this that I'm showing you. But the other downside to it, they will give you credits maybe after some time. When your credits are finished, then you have to wait for some hours. When your credits are back, then you can go ahead and reuse that. So as you can see, it has gone ahead to create for us this app. And don't worry, you can publish it here using Canva, or you can go ahead and copy this code that it was given to you here. You can copy it here, go paste it into your website or any other platform you want to sell your app using. Yes, and these apps are sellable. So here they are giving you the list of ingredients that you want. And a good thing here in the corner, you can ask this AI to tweak and change according to what you want. Yes, but now we want to see if this Canva AI is strong and it can do better. Now we are going to go to ChatGPT and create our own prompt and come back here and use this Canva AI to create an app for us without using an already made prompt which Canva did for us already. So we are going to come here in ChatGPT. Yes, and remember, AI is not a human being, so the way you prompt AI, that's the way it's going to work for you. So if you prompt it in a fake way or a bad way, I use the word fake. If you prompt it in in a way which is unserious, then it's not going to give you what you really want. So what we are going to do, we are going to try our best to prompt this AI. But still, if you don't know how to prompt and you can speak very well, you can just come here on this and speak whatever you want, so it will go ahead to create a prompt for you. Or there is another AI which is called Whisper Flow, where you can record whatever you want and that recording can be put into AI and AI will design for you whatever you want. Yes, so but for this case we are going to write. Okay, so we are going to write and write according to your niche. If your niche is in the make money niche, go ahead with that. If it's in the maybe wellness, motherhood, parenting, you can go with that. But in this example, maybe we should create an app about skincare. Everybody wants to look good, they want to smell good. So we are going to ask this ChatGPT to write for us a prompt that we can use in Canva AI. And this would help. You should tell this ChatGPT or any other AI you are using to write the prompt for you which AI you are going to use that prompt into, because these AIs, some of them integrate with each others and they know how each other AI works. So I'm going to be specific that I want to use this in Canva AI. So I'm going to put in, I want a prompt to use in Canva AI to create an app about skin care for, I'll be specific, I would say maybe teen girls. You can say maybe moms or women who are pregnant. Most women, when they are pregnant, their skins tend to change and they bring on a new look with maybe a lot of acne and what. So but now let me say we are targeting teens, so you should always be specific in your digital products. So I'm going to say about skincare about teens that are suffering with bad acne and it's putting down their self. Let me just stop it there. It's putting them down. So I'll just click here and it will go ahead to write the prompt for me. And even ChatGPT, you can still use ChatGPT on a free version. Yes, you can still use it on a free version, but if you want, you can go ahead and upgrade. So here, this is what ChatGPT has created for me. Create a modern, calming mobile app UI designed for a teen skincare and acne support app. The app is designed for teenagers struggling with severe acne, low confidence, stress, and self-esteem issues. So it has also gone ahead to write the style, make it soft, clean, friendly, and all of this. So what we are going to do, we are going to copy this our prompt and go paste it in Canva and see what it's going to come with us up and see what it's going to do for us. So I'll copy this. I've already copied it, but I'll copy it again. So now we are going to go back to Canva AI. So this is Canva AI, but we are going to go back and restart. Yes, because we want to create now another version. Yes, we don't want to do according to what Canva prompt was there. So now we have come with our own prompt. So we have come with our own prompt and we are still using this code. So we are going to put in, we are going to still use code and we are going to put in our prompt right in here. So this is our prompt. So you come and paste it here like this. So we are going to click on this, is it purple, this purple arrow, and we are going to see what this AI is going to come up with. So as you can see, it is thinking. So we are going to wait and see what this will be like. Yes, so and it's coding it to start building it up. So you can wait for a few seconds. Sometimes it takes maybe a few minutes if you're on a free version, but it's not that so long. Yes, so wait for those seconds and then we are going to see what Canva AI has done for us. Yes, so you take your time, you wait, but as I always tell you, research is important. It's better you take too much time doing your research than creating a product fast without doing your research. Actually, your research should take you more to research than to create a product, because when you research and know exactly what you are creating, who your target audience is, what really people like, then that way it will be better for you and it will be easy for you to create whatever you want, because you have an idea, you know who you are targeting, you've done your research, you've done your work. So Canva AI is still creating, and as I've told you, Canva launched Canva 2.0. So if you want, you can go ahead and use Canva 2.0, or you can go ahead and stick to Canva 1.0. So it will depend on you. So since we gave it also a longer prompt, it can take some time. Yes, so as you can see, still coding, and the app is almost about 430 plus lines. So we'll wait. And as you can see, the AI is telling you this might take a moment. Yes, so sometimes it's like that, and actually it depends on the prompt. The other one, which was about, was it about grocery list, it was quicker because we gave it a, wow, this looks so cool. So remember, as I told you, to depend on the prompt that you're going to give it. Remember the other app that we created about the grocery list, since the prompt was not that good, it was vague, the app didn't come out to be good. So but as you see here, so it is, if it has even gone ahead to specify designed for Gen Z. So it is showing clear bloom, your skin does not define your beauty, a calming skin care and emotional wellness champion for teens, navigating arcane confidence and self-love. I really like this. So it's showing you here, you can use on Apple Store or Google Play, and here it is showing you your glow up skin, arcane free journey confidence. Yes, so here it is showing you how this is going to, how it will look like on your screen and everything. And here you can go ahead and click to see your personalized routine, mental wellness, or AI progress tracker, self community, a community, and you can go ahead and also publish this to see how this will work. And if there is anything that you feel like is not good for you, can come here and in the corner and ask this AI to prompt to change anything that you want. Maybe you want the letters to be more bigger, maybe you want to remove anything, or you want to remove this or remove this. So you can just come here in this corner right here and ask this AI to add whatever you want or to remove what you don't want. And here you can come and copy this code Yes, and you can go ahead and use that code into your website or anywhere you want to host your app. Yes, but according to me, when it comes to Canva and Cloud AI, I think apps that are made in Cloud AI are more better than those ones which are made in Canva. Yes, this is one of the ones that I made in Cloud AI and it's good. Yes, and this is the one that we have made in Canva. So you can go ahead and play around with this until you come up with the idea of the app that you want. So that's how you can create an app using Canva. And don't forget to like, to comment, to share, and to subscribe. And as I've told you, I've created a free roadmap that walks you step by step on how you can start your digital product journey. Don't forget to like, to comment, to share, and to Canva. Things just get better. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make an app using Canva AI. Let's get into the video.